When a customer came in reporting that the check engine light was on, I connected a scan tool to diagnose the issue. The scan revealed the code P0847, Transmission Fluid Pressure Sensor Switch B Circuit Low. This code indicated a problem with the automatic transmission's third clutch pressure switch. To investigate further, I performed a road test while monitoring live data on the scan tool. During the test, I observed that the automatic transmission third clutch pressure switch consistently showed on, even when the third clutch was not engaged. This behavior was not normal, as the switch should have indicated off when the clutch was not actuated. I then inspected the automatic transmission wiring harness for any visible signs of damage, such as frayed wires, corrosion, or loose connections. Everything appeared to be in good condition. I disconnected the third clutch pressure switch harness connector to inspect the terminals and found no visible faults such as bent pins or dirt. With the third clutch pressure switch disconnected, I monitored the live data on the scan tool again and saw that the third clutch pressure switch status correctly read off. This suggested that the wiring and sensor circuit were functioning correctly. To confirm, I used a fused jumper wire to ground the sense circuit while observing the scan tool data. When I tapped the fused jumper wire to ground, the third clutch pressure switch status changed state, confirming the wiring and circuit were intact. Next, I used a multimeter to check the continuity of the third clutch pressure switch itself. The test revealed that the switch was electrically shorted, meaning it was internally faulty and unable to function properly. The pressure switch is crucial for monitoring clutch engagement in the automatic transmission and ensuring smooth and accurate gear shifts. A faulty switch can cause incorrect data to be sent to the transmission control module, resulting in performance issues and triggering the P0847 code. To resolve the problem, I replaced the faulty third clutch pressure switch with a new one. After replacing the switch, I cleared the fault codes and performed a road test to verify the repair. The vehicle operated smoothly, the check engine light remained off, and no new fault codes appeared. This methodical diagnostic process ensured the root cause of the problem was identified and resolved. By systematically testing the wiring, circuit, and sensor, I was able to confirm the issue and avoid unnecessary parts replacement. A properly functioning pressure switch is critical for maintaining smooth transmission operation, accurate clutch engagement, and reliable vehicle performance.